Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix offline mode not working in Amazon Music. So if your app's offline mode is not working, like downloads not playing or app still using internet, it's usually due to settings, expired downloads or app issues. So actually guys, to fix the issue you'll need us first to make sure that offline mode is enabled. Okay, so just open your Amazon Music and then you will need to go to the library. Okay, so you can find the option inside library or the settings. So you can go with library, and right here you will be able to see the offline mode option. Okay, so if you can't see it just like me, you will need to tap your profile icon that's located at the top left corner of the screen, and then you will find it right here at the third option. So all you need to do is to tap on it, and then you will be forwarded to the offline mode. Okay, so if it's off, the app will still try to stream online. Okay, and also guys, you will need to check if songs are actually downloaded. Okay, so all you need to do is to go to the library, and right here you will need to make sure your songs have the download icon. If not downloaded, they won't play offline. Also, you'll need to check your subscription status. So the offline playback requires an active plan. So if your Amazon Music Unlimited expired, the downloads will stop working and the songs may appear but won't play. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video. Goodbye.